Check out the new addition to my arsenal. Handmade PVC bow, fishing bow. All right, check it out with a reel on it. Made from a garbage disposal thingy, like a sink garbage disposal thingy. Anyway, I'm going to show you how this works. Made from PVC pipe and a garbage disposal sink thingy and a little bit of string. Fish. Strike. Now reel him in. Homemade bow fishing gear. Everything sourced from either the trash can or just dumpsters or whatever. Even the reel, I found it in a dumpster. Anyway, check out how this thing works. This thing comes with a holster. So if I'm on a paddleboard, I don't got to worry about it. Now check this out. I see a fish, I reach down, I grab it out of my tingum, I put my tingum on my tangum, I pull back, bam! Got me another fish. I'm gonna reel his butt in. Woo!